In primetime news this evening, Jamaica calls for aid. International community asked to assist the country in its time of need.
Leptospirosis deaths climb. Health authorities say they are working to contain the situation.
And JLP moves to cancel its annual conference to keep the focus on Hurricane Melissa recovery. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, and a special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. I am Archibald Gordon.
And I am Andrea Chisholm. Later in the business news, we hear from farmers in St. Elizabeth who say they are ready again to help meet local demand for food.
And JB, Jermaine Brown, is here with a preview of what's coming up in Primetime Sports. Jerry?
Well, thank you, AG. Well, with the Reggae Boys having failed to gain automatic qualification to the FIFA World Cup, attention now turns to the Reggae Girls as they continue preparation for their World Cup qualifiers beginning this weekend. We'll tell you more a bit later on.
Thank you very much, Jeremy. And should I be saying RR?
No, that doesn't work. Actually, it does not work.
No, it doesn't. Romaine Robinson is here to give us a preview of what's coming up in the weather.
Thanks, Andrea. Still no major changes are expected across the area over the next few days. We still have generally sunny mornings and partly cloudy afternoons. I'll tell you more in the weather report and forecast.
I'm still working on it. It could be double R. No. All right, so that's just not going to work for him. There is more in this newscast. Apart from the weather, there's also sports commentary and E-Prime later on. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening, we're asking, what should be done to help farmers produce more in areas least affected by Hurricane Melissa?
You can share your comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and you can post on X at TVJ News Center.
AC has a ring to it, though.
Air conditioning.
Stay with us. Primetime News continues right after this break.